Ma. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to jungle to see my buffalo. Since it's been some months I didn't see my buffalo. So stick around, it's gonna be interesting. I'll be taking a salt from here since buffalo eat salt. Imlale. Tumba. Namak de do, ekto. Thank you. In my dialect, we call these leaves as sahing. We can use this to protect us from the leech. Gan malo. This is the memory stone of people died from Gujong Morong. Gujong Morong is also one of the biggest morong and the oldest morong in my village. I'll be going with my friend. He's the one today. Yeah. We are looking for buffalo and we found some cow. Hello, boss. You can see the style of the ear. Every family has their own design or style of cutting the ear. That's how we recognize our own animals. You can see on the left side. This one has a different style on the left side. Abang Gabu. Mailo. We meet one of our village guy looking for his cow who was in the hut. We told him where we saw the cow and then he went back to that place to see his cow. Hopefully he will find his cow. We were looking for jackfruit, but it's not ripe yet. Maybe next time we'll eat, not today. We didn't find yet. First we'll have lunch and then we'll continue looking for the buffalo. For today my lunch are already packed from home by my mom. Let's see what my mom gave me for the lunch. Curry, bamboo shoot and fish, one of my favorite. Wow, this is mushrooms and some fish, small fishes. Guys, finally after more than an hour we find our buffalo. Wow, I'm so happy to see them. Cow and mithun all mix. I'm scared. Sometimes they can also attack humans. Sometimes they do. This is mine. Hi boy. Buffalo are scary. Ma. 이거 형 봤냐? 아직 갖고. 인간 발랐냐? They look very healthy. These are the mithuns, our state animal. They are looking very handsome and beautiful. This is my buffalo. That's emotional. These two are following us. It seems like they want more salt. Bye bye. Bye bye, boy. Bye bye. In buffalo or mithun or cow, we cut the same style of their ear. They will do the same in all the three animals. We have seen our buffalo. Now we will take some bamboo shoot for the curry for tonight. This is the bamboo shoot that we collect. We have found the buffalo. Also, we have collected some bamboo shoot. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I'll be back soon with a new video.